Gulf Coast Weather Solutions is sponsored by
At Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, we focus on delivering reliable weather forecasts. Our new app provides reliable weather updates and alerts no matter where you are. With real-time weather alerts and warnings, you can stay informed and prepared wherever you go. Download the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app today on the App Store and Google Play and stay connected no matter where you are.
Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Boschik. We're looking right now at our TAMCO Live Doppler radar loop over the past couple hours. We can see we have some showers develop out there, but overall, all the activity is quieting down, and we're going to see a diminishing trend with showers and storms as the evening progresses. There's still some pretty decent showers, though, just to the northeast of Livingston and north of Livingston, also southwest of Lufkin. And southeast of College Station, there's some good showers, and then also a good thunderstorm just to the east of Lafayette at this time. We go to right now, our conditions in Lumberton. It's 88 degrees there with an east-southeast wind at 10 miles per hour, high wind at 23. Dew point at 80 according to this one. Now, it's a little bit high, I think, on the dew point, but the point is that the humidity is very high out there. If you step outside, you'll notice that immediately how humid it is. Now, regional satellite radar, sponsored by Switch Electric, shows that we do have those showers that are north of Lake Livingston and northeast of there as well. And just southeast of College Station, we have those showers going on. But overall, it is pretty quiet out there. Now, looking at our regional current temperatures, it's 85 in Beaumont, 86 in Houston, 90 in Austin, 88 in San Antonio, and also 90 degrees in Lufkin and Shreveport, where it's 84 right now in Lafayette, where they've had some more showers this afternoon. Now, current local temperatures, sponsored by Neutron Electrical Services, shows we're running right now in the upper 80s and mid 80s, kind of scattered around. And we'll continue to see those temperatures begin to slide down as the evening progresses. Now, our future cast coming up for the morning is showing that we could have a few showers possible around, but overall coverage should be pretty low at about 20%. We're not expecting a lot of activity. As we progress into the afternoon hours, we can see that we will continue to have some scattered to isolated showers, but overall pretty quiet. Not going to expect a lot of rain, and even if it does, it will be very brief and likely will evaporate as soon as the sun comes back out. Now, as we get into Thursday, it should be even drier because there will be even less moisture available for these showers and storms to form with. And as far as our atmospheric moisture is concerned, we can see that we will have continued low amounts of moisture. Now, this blue is a little bit higher coming up for tomorrow, but that pink is even higher moisture, but it's just pretty limited at this time, and not like what the pinks we've been seeing over the past weekend. And last week, we had a lot more moisture to work with, but that dry air will continue to move in. We start to see the greens and the yellows indicating even drier air pushing in Thursday. As we get into Friday, we'll start to see a little bit more moisture begin to work in, but not an excessive amount. As we get into Saturday, even more moisture will start to push in, which is going to help really start to bring up the rain chances, particularly by Sunday, where we see that deep moisture begin to work into the region, which will give us a really good chance, especially Sunday evening. We get some dark pinks beginning to show up. That'll be when we have a really decent chance of showers and storms coming up at around 50% currently. It could go pretty higher, though, depending on how much moisture there is to work with. But lows tonight, sponsored by Silsby Ford, are going to be in the mid to upper 70s. It's possible one or two showers could form after dark, but it's looking like for the most part, it should be pretty calm to partly cloudy skies. Highs tomorrow are going to be in the low 90s in general, maybe some mid 90s possible around Lufkin and Zavala, but a 20% chance of rain out there with just basically your pop and go, as we say, type summer showers that we can expect. And your 7-day outlook, it calls for that 20% chance tomorrow. And then we'll see an increasing chance of rain coming up Sunday and to Tuesday. Next week is starting to look a little bit more stormy. So if you haven't cut your grass yet, you certainly should be able to by hopefully Friday or Saturday before we start to see some more rain chances coming in. Same for Lake Charles and Kinder. We'll have a bit more dry weather to speak of, at least until about Sunday. A little bit of a better chance Friday, but not a real big chance. And then we'll see those chances that are higher Sunday to Tuesday coming up. Now, make sure that you have the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. I always like to tell people about this. It's a free app for iOS and Google Play. Gives you the latest weather updates across Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. Gives you updates about when we post videos, when we're going live, things like that, aside from just your average weather alerts that you might get about that there's rain in the forecast or something like that. So it's a great thing to download today. Also, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/GulfCoastWX and our Facebook page at Gulf Coast Weather Solutions to see the latest additional weather updates from our team here. All right, everyone, have a good evening and check out Johnny's forecast in the morning.